tornado season, and each year we see the devastation left behind after one strikes. Usually they're in a rural area or small town, but that doesn't mean they can't wreak havoc in cities as well. Meteorologist Joey Marino will dispel one of the biggest myths surrounding tornadoes.
One of the myths out there is that tornadoes do not hit big cities. When we hear about them, we typically see them form in rural and suburban areas. What it actually comes down to is landmass, because the United States is more country than city. In fact, only 3% of the entire land area of the United States is urban, but tornadoes can happen anywhere at any time, and here are a few examples. One example would be the Tuscaloosa-Birmingham tornado in 2011. This massive and violent EF4 tornado devastated portions of Alabama on the afternoon of Wednesday, April 27, 2011. It was also part of the largest tornado outbreak in U.S. history, which produced 362 tornadoes in just 4 days. The estimated winds with this tornado were 190 miles per hour, and at one point in its lifetime was 1.5 miles wide in Tuscaloosa. It then went on and caused destruction in Birmingham, where the National Weather Service found EF4 damage. Overall, the tornado killed 64 people and caused up to $2.2 billion in damage. It was the costliest tornado in U.S. history before the Joplin tornado took the top spot in May of 2011. And who could forget the Moore, Oklahoma City tornado from 1999? On May 3rd, 1999, a supercell or a strong thunderstorm produced 14 tornadoes in a 3.5-hour period. One of them was the EF5 tornado that struck Moore, Oklahoma and Oklahoma City. The tornado first entered the western portions of Moore and produced high-end EF4 to low-end EF5 tornado damage. The tornado then continued to move northeast and caused EF4 damage in the southern portions of Oklahoma City. In fact, this tornado was so strong, a freight car which weighed nearly 18 tons, was tossed about 3/4 of a mile across an open field. Overall, the tornado killed 36 people and injured 583. 1,800 homes were destroyed, 2,500 were damaged, and that resulted in $1 billion in total damage. And finally, looking a little closer to home, the last significant tornado to hit our area was on April 21st, 1967, a little over 52 years ago, also known as the Belvidere tornado. This F4 tornado touched down a little before 4 p.m. southeast of Cherry Valley and moved northeast into Belvidere. Once it entered Belvidere, it destroyed the high school and the surrounding homes, and buses were tossed like they weighed nothing. 127 homes were destroyed and hundreds more were damaged. The most significant damage occurred at the Belvidere High School, where 13 of the 24 fatalities occurred. So the lesson to take from all of this is urban areas are just as vulnerable to tornadoes as rural areas are. Whether you live in a downtown metro or on the outskirts of a city, you'll still need to have a severe weather plan ready to go and have a way to receive watches and warnings so that you too can be safe from severe weather.